All right, guys, let's talk about the Buddy Pickets. Pretty simple design, but man, these things are really, really handy to have on a job site. They're well labeled for you, so you know what you're dealing with. This one here is a King Plus with a 5.5-inch reveal. This has a long leg on it. This is made to hang on top of that flat 2x4 on your King Plus construction. This one's made for a 1.0. You can see the narrow piece at the top. And this is the same one, but made for a 2.0. You can see that the top is much wider. They're both labeled that 2.0, 1.0. The arm that hangs on top of the King Plus is the same. The difference is the top of these. All right, one is made for 1.0 to fit right inside that groove, like that. The 2.0 version is not going to fit into 1.0. All right, it's made to fit inside the 2.0. Pretty strong magnets on those. That's going to help prevent your straightaway from moving on your fence line. It's also going to help prevent some of the newer guys that are running pickets from shoving the picket up and pushing the straightaway up, because it's going to push up off the magnet, or it's going to pull the whole weight of that thing up as well. So that's the King Plus. This is your 1.0 and your 2.0 for a 7-inch reveal on a normal standard privacy fence with a 2x4 turned like this direction. This just hangs on that 2x4. So 2.0 version and a 1.0 version, 7-inch reveal. That would be if you set your post 30 inches deep in concrete and have an 8-foot post, you're going to have a 7-inch reveal, right? For some of my guys that maybe set their posts a little bit less in the ground, 29 inch or 28 inches than the ground, so they can get a less reveal on top, with the idea being less warping. Again, 1.0 and 2.0 versions of the 6-inch reveal. So the distance between the top of the 2x4 and the top of the pickets at 6 inches, 1.0 and 2.0 version. And then we do go down as far as a 5-inch reveal. 1.0 and 2.0 version, 5-inch reveal. So 5, 6, 7-inch reveal, and then the King Plus is a 5.5-inch reveal. All these have strong magnets on top, and of course they're all blue, which makes them cool.